So, yeah, it's me. What's my username thing now? Fluffy Bunny the First, I think. Yes. So, I just kind of wanted to tell you what this account's going to be kind of. My hair's horrible right now. Okay, so, I think I'm going to do a lot of video stars, but I'm also going to like sing stuff, random stuff. I'm going to embarrass myself a lot. So, yes, most of this stuff is embarrassing, stupid. Don't take most of this seriously because I'm doing a lot of this. So, what am I supposed to talk about? I don't know. My bedroom's in the basement. Torture. Fixing myself. My bed. Yay. So I might do some like singing, video stars, random stuff, maybe skits. I don't know. Maybe like. Never mind. Ugh, I really don't know what to talk about. I'll probably sound like an idiot. Should I stop this? No. I draw pictures. Yay. Yay. Don't even know if you can see this right now. Paw. 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 Let's talk about. Should I finish that? So yeah, this is also my website where I do stupid stuff to embarrass myself. Post video stars, sing a little bit. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for the first video I ever posted, the singing one. It's horrible. I'm gonna look back on this and think, what is wrong with me? So, yeah, bye. Enjoy my stuff. Yay!